Good morning, students. So, 11th standard now physics is not like your 10th standard physics children. Try to understand, but there are many topics which is just enhanced from your 9th standard, 10th standard, like that. But now it is going to be more concept or more microscopic level. So, for which you need to understand first how physics is classified. Okay, that too basically we learn as such completely together something in our undergraduate course and postgraduate course. That whole concepts, all for everything, all the basics are taught in your 11th and in your 12th standard. It's not like few concepts are introduced in 11th and then enhanced in 12th standard. It is not at all like that. It is going to be, if I am going to take one chapter, completely everything about it is dealt. Okay, so but basically physics is classified into classical physics and modern physics. What is classical physics is from the beginning till 20th century. All the inventions made or all the discoveries made, everything is put up together, that is called as classical physics. But this modern physics, where it came into existence in the beginning of the 20th century, that is what is called as modern physics. Modern physics generally it is dealt only in your 12th standard. 12th standard, in fact only your volume 2 possesses modern physics. Otherwise, your complete 11th standard and also 12th standard volume 1 also covers the classical physics. So even in our 11th standard, like you study mechanics, the branches of classical mechanics is your mechanics, then that is again divided into statics and dynamics. This is all what you learnt in your 10th standard. Then again dynamics is classified into kinematics and kinetics. Basics are taught in your 10th, but now when you learn your 11th, it will be more deeper concepts that you learn in this. So your volume 1 actually consists of all these. Then will be thermodynamics and kinetic theory of gases. Thermodynamics itself says it is about heat. And when you supply heat, what happens? Fluid or gases starts moving. So thermodynamics. And basic theory of gases. Kinetic theory of gases, when heat molecules started moving, that is called, what is called as kinetic. So based on that you will learn all its application also. Then about your optics, electricity and magnetism. This basically you study only in your 12th standard. Optics, where you will consider as a ray and also as a wave. And then electricity and magnetism completely you will learn only in your 12th standard. Then acoustics. Acoustics is sound. That is basically sound is nothing but where you have oscillations, wave. Both. Combination of both is what is acoustics. Acoustics is nothing but about sound energy. Then very interesting chapter of your astrophysics and relativity. Astrophysics will deal about our universe. And relativity, where I am going to find out when something is going to move, what is the relationship between moving and the stationary. That is what I am going to learn in the relativity. So all these things almost you will learn in your 11th and also your 12th standard volume 1. Then coming on to modern physics. Modern physics will consist of quantum theory enhanced to lot of other things also, where even electronics is also a branch of quantum. Then is about atomic physics, where about subatomic particles that you learn, physics behind subatomic particles. Then nuclear physics, about nuclear, like you have your nowadays we get energy also only from nuclear energy power stations, and how all these things takes place, how sun produces such large kind of energy, all such things that you will learn in nuclear physics. This is all where you will have some basic with your chemistry also. Then molecular physics, as a molecule, see, first one is an atom that you consider, then a nucleus that you consider, now into molecular physics. So what are the basics behind molecular theory that you will study there? Then high energy physics that you study, condensed matter. Condensed matter is about solids, liquids, and in between solid and liquid you have some matter called as plasma, like you have plasma TV or plasma. You learn all the theories behind plasma. This is all about physics. All the branches of physics is dealt in your 11th and also in your 12th standard in deep. All the basic concepts are taught here, so each and every class is important. So learn every class, every concept thoroughly, because it's not going to be like your 10th standard. Now 10th standard physics was one part of science, but now physics is going to have two volumes of book is there, where two volumes says that you will have concept oriented. It's easy, children. Physics is not so tough, it is easy. Anything can be made easy also. So try to listen or try to be responsible and try to learn everything, so that physics will also be easier for you. Good morning, students. So 11th standard now physics is not like your 10th standard physics, children. Try to understand, but there are many topics which is just enhanced from your 9th standard, 10th standard, like that. But now it is going to be more concept